Hi everyone, this is Asa Bicolana Gym Home Finder in Pampanga, and for today we have another brand new house located here at Metrogate Subdivision, a secured subdivision and very close to Angeles Exit as well as yung Marquee Mall natin. Now behind me is this brand new contemporary home with a different character in each corner. So you have a single carport, and ang napansin ko lang, very modern since yung gate niya may mga laser cut and as well as yung pedestrian gate nyo. But they have a different style naman, pati up to the second floor. And napansin ko rin, smart lock na din yung pinaka-pedestrian gate natin. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Modern na very cozy, tapos yung mga ginamit na design. Now, right side is you have your pocket garden over there, tapos may deco blocks din pala. I mean, yung kumbaga may ventilation din yung pinaka-wall niya. Mini. Tapos dito, another garden, naka-landscape na. Ang ganda-ganda. Ay, sayang. Namatay yung talisay. And this one is your carport. Ay, may CCTV. Tapos, fully covered naman. Tapos this side, polycarbonate. Oh, nice! Oo nga, no? Oo, automated gate pa. Nice, saan? Okay, di ka napansin masyado. E di liligpit na lang yung mga kalat kagaya nito. Mahilig naman kami dyan. Mahilig naman kami dyan yung mga hindi pa masyadong tapos. Pero, finish na to. Right here. Pwede pang pwedeng sampayan. And I guess for this house, this could be your soon dirty kitchen. Now, pasukin na natin yung pinaka-main house. So, you have your solid wood at the same time mataas. I like it. Tapos, smart digital lock. I'll see you inside. In fairness, mabigat din yung door nyo. Talagang solid wood. Like it. Ay, okay, mali. Yan. Nice. So you have natural lights coming from this window, and you will be welcome with your high ceiling and spacious na living room. Dito lang naman yan lalagay yung L-shape na sofa set. In fairness, malaki. Yung door nyo nga ng storage dito, cabinet 6. Modern na rin. Dito kasya pa yung kahit 75 inch. Ay, ano to? Ay, ang ganda nito. Hindi siya PVC. Yung material. Nice. Ganda ng effect niya. Anyway, kung mas alam niyo yung ganitong material, kasi akala ko kanina PVC. Usually kasi gano'n yung ibang bahay, PVC yung back wall ng entertainment wall. Ito, bato talaga. Tapos it complements ng LED na to. Ganda ng effect niya. Sana mas maganda din sa video natin. And you have your main light. And also you have your air condition unit na sa buong baba natin. And right here, this is your area where you can put your dining table. Siguro mga 6 para sakto lang yung space. You can still move around. Tapos sa likod ko, you have access sa likod lang naman. Yung side kung saan ako galing. So, tapos your carport. Ito kumbaga extension ng dining area nyo o kung gusto nyo ng natural air. Ganda kaya ng color ng wood. Ah, may dirty kitchen na pala. Inuna ko na, no? So, you have dirty kitchen. Tapos, ang access niya pala is glass door. Which is good kasi may natural light. Tapos, this one naka-polycarbonate na. Ayan, punong-puno tayo ng natural light dito. So, sa morning, you don't need to turn on yung mga main lights talaga. Tapos, this side, you have 3 burner. Large na rin yung sink. This area could be your laundry area. Tapos dito yung wash-wash. Kusot-kusot. Tapos may another door ako napansin. Daming pwedeng gawin. Well, glass din yan. Daming pwedeng gawin dito. Pwede pa rin naman i-cover. May drainage din. In fairness, kahit to, pagka modern, slick. Modern slick na yung kahit drainage. Ay, kahit to, pantay lang. You don't need to worry yung rain shower kasi basa, lang to. pantay, tas covered naman. So yeah, iba din, may mga pang ano tayo, panlaban tayo sa mga not so expensive na bahay, yung mga for starter home yung hinahanap nila. Well, anyway, this side corner, medyo L-shape, is your formal kitchen. I even like napansin ko na yung countertop niya. Ang ganda niya. You have your electric stove. May oven na rin nakasama. At Elba yung ano niya, range hood. Ito yung napupull out. Yan. Nice, no? Tapos yung mga cabinet niya naka-laminated. Punas-punas lang. Okay, puno. Dito. Tapos mataas. Lahat. Ay, wow! Oh, nice. Buti na lang binuksan ko. Wow, ang gaan ng mechanics nito. Akyat ka mag-isa. Ay, hindi. Tutulak mo naman. Pero ang ganda nito, oh. Malambot lang yung mechanics, tapos feeling ko hindi aalog yung mga plates mo. I think pagugustuhan nyo to, yung pagka-modern niya, spacious as well. Kita nyo to, large na yung sink niya. Diba? So, mga pull out. Ito for the garbage. In fairness talaga. Hala, gusto ko kayong i-invite na i-check nyo na tong bahay na to. Marirecommend ko for the price and then also the location. Tapos everything is organized kasi may mga organizer na yung drawers and cabinets niya. Konting-konti na lang idadagdag niya. Of course, you have your brand new fridge. And 2 doors here. Ito pwede ng guest room. Bedroom number 1 natin dito sa baba. Perfect naman siya for guest room. Tapos may air condition unit ng kasama. Tapos ang laki ng cabinet. Love it. Ang taas. Biro na lang namin mamaya. So medyo hindi pa siya tapos. I guess may mga kulang pang shelves. Tapos rack. Clothing rack. Ito yung toilet and bath as well as yung sa na natin, guest powder room. Dito din may mapapansin kang maganda. Itong sink, kahit lang siya, maliit. Ang linis kasi. Slick yung mga drainage. May heater na, may ventilation. This one. And actually, meron pang lagayan sa gilid. Sa likod nitong door na to. Sa pagka-finish, yes, okay. Very slick, ang kinis. At ito din, yung mga tiles, ang lalaki ng ginamit nila. Yung 120 na ba yung size nito? Ang laki niya. Ganito siya. Hindi ko ma-justify gano'ng kalaki, pero ang ganda kasi. So, okay, going up. Napansin ko, ang tibay ng staircase. Kasi you have glass over here to, support yung mga maakyat. In fairness, talagang tibay ng paakyat ng second floor. And pag akyat natin, we have another laser cut over here. Ito yung accent ng pinaka-facade ng bahay niya. Diba, iba din yung design niya naman. Nice nito. Tapos wooden coated yung mga frame ng sliding doors. Sliding windows, I mean. Anyway, before I forget, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Kahit itong pendant chandelier na itong ganda din. Ooh, natural light again. Thanks for this. And this house comes 3 bedrooms. Ito, second bedroom na sa second floor. Siguro mga double size bed kasya na dito. For the queen size, medyo masisikipan na kayo. Pero I can say, mga twin lang or single kung maliliit pa naman yung mga anak nyo. And you have cabinet na dito. Also, may air condition unit na. Tapos naka-fluted panels yung pinaka-entertainment wall niya. Nice naman. Tapos parang smart ready siya. Oh. Ang stick kasi ng mga switch ng ilaw. And of course, for this one, ang ganda na kasi may toilet and bath na. Sweet. And another door. Cute na din. So, 4 bedroom siya. Okay. For this one naman, eto, pwede yung headboard. Kasya na yung queen size dito. Kung king, kasya pa rin naman. Magsasacrifice lang kayo ng both sides sa gilid nyo ng daanan. Sa entertainment wall. Ang ganda din ng accent ng... Ang ganda ng combination ng wooden tsaka yung gold strips. Well, anyway. Air condition unit may included na. May ceiling fan. Tapos this corner yung cabinet niya. Plus may toilet and bath din. Complete na rin. May heater as well. Nice. Tapos flat lang yung tiles, oh. Ito medyo malaki to. Tapos ito yun, that's your front of your property. Tapos next room is this one. Sa middle siya ng pinakabahay. Which leads to your master bedroom. So medyo hindi pa tapos yung master bedroom natin. Pero I can say, maganda talaga. Ganda ng pagkagawa nila in fairness. Very modern. Dito syempre kasya na yung king size. Both side by reading light. As well as I can see, you have your balcony. Apat air condition unit. So the house comes unfurnished. Semi-furnished. Alam nyo ba bakit ako nagulat? Tignan nyo, nakakatuwa kasi yung lot size nito. So, welcome to your ensuite for your primary bedroom. Madadaanan nyo na yung walk-in closet nyo. Tapos, look! So, you have your jacuzzi tub, single size. Pati yung his and her sink. Nakakatuwa. Ang ganda na ginamit nila dito. And then, separate yung toilet area. May enclosure, pati shower area. Biglang wow yung primary room. Wow, may elegant. Kahit talaga yung tiles, ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng pattern. Tapos, matte. Ang gulo ko, no? Hinahawakan ko. Matte kasi yung finish niya, so hindi madulas. Nice, ang ganda. Okay, siguro yung balcony nyo naman. I like this one. Welcome sa balcony ng primary bedroom. This is where I'm gonna do your quick recap na. Okay, this house is, kumbaga pre-selling pa ng sinut namin, available for sale, located here at Metrogate Subdivision. The house sits at 120 square meters for the lot area and you have 190 square meters for your floor area. You have your single carport, 4 bedrooms with 4 toilet and bath, and the house comes semi-furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.